We have all witnessed moments of happiness, moments of tears, moments of emotions, and moments of winning for Cristiano Ronaldo. And as we all know, 2026 FIFA World Cup is the last World Cup that Cristiano will be playing, and as we all know, they got eliminated from this World Cup yesterday because they were going head to head versus Portuguese versus Spain, and Spain got to win. And so Cristiano right now is eliminated from that World Cup. So, do you guys know who Cristiano is, where he came from, how his childhood lifestyle was, until where he is? Guys, I will be breaking all that down right here, so kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment, because I will be bringing you bangers and bangers and bangers. We will have to find all these prayers that are amazing, that are making us feel happy, that are entertaining us every day. I will be making videos. So guys, let's see.